The 41st Annual General Assembly of the Bible Society of Uganda.
From Chisoro, and she's the CAP officer. If you have read the book where you have seen the village girl, she's the writer. So she's also a writer. And the translation projects, I'm trying to scan through those that are presented. I saw
the Bible Society of Uganda, led by their president, Justice Mike Cibita, have held their 41st Annual General Assembly in Kampala to discuss their achievements in the past year, challenges faced, find possible solutions, and set new goals for the new year.
On translation roadmap, as that's a key output for us as Bible Society of Uganda, we reaffirm that no one shall be left behind in access to scriptures. Mr. President, I appreciate the members who have raised the issue that we should give them for free, but we all must work towards that.
According to the Permanent Secretary Ssemogerere, the Bible Society still owes about 7 billion Uganda shillings that was acquired to construct the Bible House, and asked Christians to be a part of the 10K drive, which will be used to pay this loan.
New Bible House updates. We are glad to inform you that we completed servicing the first loan of 3 billion that was taken in 2022. Monthly, thank you. That gives the staff more morale. Monthly repayment of Uganda shillings 130 million 670,649 shillings for the second loan are ongoing, along payment to the contractor whose balance stands at 7 billion 814 million 481,195. Targeting children and youth for membership increase. Management is in the process of re-establishing the Youth Task Force, whose major role is resource mobilization, in which membership recruitment falls. And I wish to inform the members that during our branch AGS, the branch has formed the main task force as well. So we might think of it also at the head office. Under AGM
in an exclusive interview, the society president stated that their role as a society is to make sure that every Ugandan can afford a Bible, and thanked all the leaders from different dominions that attended the assembly.
First annual general meeting of the Bible Society of Uganda. This is a statutory obligation that a company like Bible Society must have an annual general assembly every year, and this was our 41st General Assembly. As you could see, the Archbishop of Kampala, Archbishop Paul Ssemogerere was in attendance. We had Bishop retired Masereka and many bishops and clergy. It is an interdenominational, multi-denominational, multi-confessional organization which brings together all the churches. One of the big issues we are talking about is how to ensure that we continue translating and distributing Bibles at an affordable price. As you know, part of the responsibility of Bible Society is to subsidize the price of Bibles, because if Bibles were to be sold at cost price, most people would not afford them. The other thing that we discussed was, the Bible House. It was completed, but there's an outstanding loan with Centenary Bank. So we're talking about ways of raising money to service that loan. And management has come up with a campaign called 10K, where every Christian in Uganda, the churches have committed themselves to urge every member to pay at least 10,000